Hold on to your hats, folks, because the future is now. Artificial intelligence, once a figment of science fiction, is rapidly changing our world, especially the job market. It's like a runaway train, gaining speed and leaving its mark on every industry imaginable. Remember the days of factory workers meticulously assembling products? Well, robots powered by AI are increasingly taking over those roles. And it's not just blue-collar jobs. AI is also making its way into the white-collar world. Think about financial analysts poring over spreadsheets or lawyers sifting through mountains of legal documents. AI can now automate many of those tasks with incredible speed and accuracy. This rapid advancement in AI technology is both exciting and a little bit scary. So, what does this mean for the average worker? Is your job about to be replaced by a super intelligent machine? Let's delve deeper into the world of AI and find out. AI is proving to be particularly adept at tasks that are repetitive and predictable. Think about data entry, customer service inquiries, or even driving vehicles. These jobs often involve following a set of rules or procedures, which is right up AI's alley. For example, chatbots are now commonplace on websites, answering basic customer questions and resolving issues without any human intervention. In warehouses, robots zoom around, fetching products and fulfilling orders with remarkable efficiency. But don't panic just yet. AI still has its limitations. While it excels at following instructions and crunching numbers, it struggles with tasks that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving skills. So while AI might be coming for some jobs, it's also creating new opportunities. The key is to understand where AI shines and where humans still hold the advantage. One area where humans continue to outshine AI is in roles that require creativity and innovation. Think about artists, designers, writers, and entrepreneurs. These professions demand imagination, originality, and the ability to think outside the box, qualities that AI has yet to master. Furthermore, jobs that involve complex human interaction, such as nursing, teaching, and social work, are still firmly in human hands. These roles require empathy, compassion, and the ability to understand and respond to nuanced emotions. While AI can analyze data and identify patterns, it can't replicate the human touch, the ability to connect with others on an emotional level. This is where humans have a distinct advantage in the age of AI. The future of work is not about humans versus machines, but rather humans and machines working together. By embracing AI as a powerful tool, we can enhance our capabilities and create new possibilities. Imagine a world where doctors use AI to diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, where teachers leverage AI to personalize education for each student, and where architects use AI to design more sustainable and resilient buildings. The key to thriving in this new era is adaptability and lifelong learning. As AI continues to evolve, we must be willing to embrace new skills and knowledge. By focusing on our uniquely human strengths, we can navigate the changing job market and harness the power of AI to create a brighter future for all. Is AI a threat or an opportunity? The answer lies in our ability to adapt and collaborate with this transformative technology.